What if I told you some of the most powerful AI tools in 2026 don't cost a single dollar? Whether you're a student, creator, freelancer, or office worker, these free AI tools can save hours every week. And some are so good, they can replace expensive software. Stay until the end, because my number one pick is something almost everyone uses, but very few people take full advantage of. Let's count down the 10 best free AI tools of 2026. Starting at number 10 is Grammarly Free. It automatically fixes grammar, spelling, punctuation, and even improves your writing tone. Perfect for emails, reports, resumes, school assignments, and social media. If you write anything online, Grammarly instantly makes you sound more professional. At number 9 is Perplexity AI. Instead of searching through dozens of websites, it gives you direct answers with sources you can verify. It's perfect for research, homework, fact-checking, and learning new topics faster. Think of it as Google with an AI research assistant built in. Coming in at number 8 is Gamma. Instead of spending hours designing slides, simply describe your topic, and Gamma creates an entire presentation in minutes. It's a favorite among teachers, students, and professionals. Number 7 is Canva AI. If you're a content creator, Canva is almost impossible to ignore. Canva has evolved into a complete AI design platform. You can generate presentations, edit images, remove backgrounds, write content, and create social media posts, all inside one free platform. At number 6 is Google NotebookLM. Upload documents, PDFs, notes, or research papers, then ask questions naturally. NotebookLM even creates study guides, summaries, FAQs, and AI-generated podcast conversations based on your files. It's one of the smartest learning tools available today. Halfway through our list is Claude. Claude is excellent for handling long documents. It can summarize books, analyze reports, brainstorm ideas, write articles, and even explain complicated information in simple language. Many users prefer it for deep thinking and writing tasks. Number 4 is Microsoft Copilot. If you use Windows or Microsoft Office, Copilot becomes your built-in AI assistant. It helps write documents, summarize information, create spreadsheets, answer questions, and improve productivity throughout your workday. Our third pick is Google Gemini. Gemini connects with Google's ecosystem and helps with writing, coding, brainstorming, image generation, planning trips, and analyzing documents. At number 2 is Microsoft Designer. Imagine having a graphic designer available anytime. Just type your idea. Designer generates stunning social media posts, posters, invitations, ads, and YouTube thumbnails in seconds. For many creators, it's one of the best free AI design tools available. Taking the number 1 spot is ChatGPT. There's a reason millions of people use it every day. It helps you write emails, create content, summarize documents, solve problems, learn new skills, brainstorm ideas, generate code, and even plan your daily tasks. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, office worker, or creator, ChatGPT is one of the most useful free AI tools you can have. And the best part? New features continue to make it even more powerful every year. Let's do a quick recap of the 10 best free AI tools everyone should use in 2026. Number 10, Grammarly. Improve your writing with AI-powered grammar checking, spelling corrections, and tone suggestions. Number 9, Perplexity AI. Search the web faster with AI-powered answers, summaries, and cited sources. Number 8, Gamma. Create professional presentations, documents, and web pages in minutes with AI. Number 7, Canva AI. Design stunning graphics, social media posts, videos, and presentations using AI-powered creative tools. Number 6, Google NotebookLM. Turn your documents into an AI research assistant that summarizes, explains, and answers questions. Number 5, Claude. Generate high-quality writing, analyze documents, brainstorm ideas, and handle long-form conversations with ease. Number 4, Microsoft Copilot. Boost productivity with AI assistants for writing, coding, research, and Microsoft 365 tasks. Number 3, Google Gemini. Google's AI assistant for research, writing, coding, brainstorming, and everyday productivity. Number 2, Microsoft Designer. Instantly create eye-catching graphics, social media posts, invitations, and marketing materials with AI. And number 1, ChatGPT. The ultimate all-around AI assistant for writing, learning, coding, image generation, brainstorming, research, and everyday tasks. These free AI tools can help you work smarter, learn faster, and create amazing content without spending a dime. Whether you're a student, professional, creator, or entrepreneur, there's an AI tool here that can boost your productivity. Which free AI tool is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools, productivity tips, and technology updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.